We the People Volta 2011 bike check. It's 21-inch top tube. It's line. The class zap grips. You can have a big flange if you have like brake, and low flange if you don't like big flange. The class bar ends. They're like bar ends. Are really good. Shadow Volta bars in crimson red. 28 width, 8.25 rise. Bicycle Union Rome stem. It's very nice and strong. It's only got them cut out. Surplus Magic Forks. United pegs on the front and 2 Shadow Conspiracies on the back. Surplus headset. Shadow Ravager plastic pedals. The best plastic pedals ever. Surplus cranks. Proper Magnolite team sprocket in 25 tooth. YBN chain, nice and tight in there. Stolen choker seat clamp. Shadow seat post. S&N Coxie seat or something like that. It's nice and comfy and flat. Clack calipers. Clack brake pads. Back tyres are We the People grip in 2.25. Back rim is a class Exodus brake rim. Yeah. Hubs Surplus for setup and a Primo driver's side hub. I'll show you the hubs on now.
Right, you just quick.
Yeah, and the brake lever is a Odyssey Springfield lever. The cable's a Odyssey Liner quick slip cable. It's a good cable. That's it.